Hi everybody, today we are going to make this beautiful unicorn, which can be a nice pendant, here it is the hole, or a beautiful hair clip. So for this project we are going to use air dry clay. We are going to use white for the head, yellow for beautiful horn, light pink for little ears, light blue for flowers, and also we will need pink and purple as well. We're going to use for eyelashes this black air dry clay, and now we need some tools as well. A simple stick. For adults we can also use a little knife. For little ones we will use a plastic one. So now we are going to make a nice beautiful head. Mayla, you're going to help me?
Yes.
Alright, let's make it into a nice ball. Just follow me. Here it is. And now we are going to flatten it out. Tap, 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 tap. Use your fingers. Excellent. Now we need to flip it. Yes, just like that. Try to flip it and smooth it out. Okay. Excellent. Well done, Mayla. Just let's create a nice shape. Here it is.
Like that?
Perfect. Look, they look the same. And now let's carry on with a nice yellow horn. Just take a little bit of yellow and use your thumb and your other hand and just roll it. Just follow me. Just like that. Here it is, a nice, beautiful little horn. And smooth it out, obviously. Use your fingers. Now we are going to use a little knife to create a horn pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here it is. Mayla, can you do it with me?
Yes.
Take your horn and now let's try to put it just right in the middle, like this, like mummy. Here it is. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's pretty straight. Well done, Mayla. You like it?
Yes.
It looks quite nice. Now we need to use one of those wooden sticks. Why we need a wooden stick, Mayla? Because we need to create a hole for our beautiful pendant, yes?
Yes.
We are going to use this end, Mayla, look. Okay, so let's just make a nice straight hole. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to do the same with your unicorn. All right, here it is, just right in the middle. And here we go. Nice straight hole. And do you like it?
Yes.
That's just perfect, I think. Very nice. Now let's carry on because we are going to create these beautiful little ears. Take light pink clay and divide it in half. We need 2 little balls, so let's carry on with one of the balls and roll it into a nice little ear. Use your thumb and your fingers and flatten it out a little bit. Make it look like a nice unicorn ear. Here it is, just follow me. Can you do it, Mayla?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Let's use a little knife and let's put 1, 2, 3 little lines, just like unicorn ears. And let's stick 1. Well done, Mayla. Excellent. Okay, now, perfect. Now let's carry on with the second one. Let's do the same. Use your thumb and now we are going to create beautiful little flowers. What I'm going to use a purple ball and roll the ball, and I'm going to use one of those stencils just to create this wiggly pattern. Here it is. Now I'm going to do the same thing the second time. Oh, excellent. All right, now what we're going to do the same with the blue one and obviously the pink one. Beautiful little flowers for our beautiful little unicorn. Here it is. Now let's start with the purple one and put next to the ear and the little corn on the right side, obviously. Here it is, one, just like that. Mele, can you follow me?
Yes.
Try to put it, don't squash it too much because the pattern is going to be a little bit too squashed. Okay, careful, tap, tap, tap. All right, perfect. Now the blue one. Right, take your blue one and now, yes, perfect. Now let's try to do the same on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. Excellent.
Just like that.
Perfect. Let's carry on. Now, the most difficult part is to create the nice eyes and eyelashes. And what we're going to do, we're going to make a little worm with our fingers. So take a bit of black clay, a teeny tiny bit, and you need to try and use something sharp like a knife and glue one nostril. Yay, you can use your fingers as well. Excellent. Perfect. Mele, well done. Hey, that's a beautiful nostril. Ha. Here we go, our unicorn with a perfect nose. And now the most difficult part, eyelashes and eyes. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly worm. We are going to create a nice, beautiful eye. Let's try to do it together. And here it is. I think that's perfect. I will cut it not exactly in half. I just need one tiny little bit. Here you go. Perfect. Mele, you've got really little fingers, so it's good for you. I will use my little knife, so I'm going to chop it in half again and carefully put it just like that. Here we go. Perfect, Mele, well done.
Thank you.
And now here, just make it straight. All right. So now we are going to create the eyelashes. So let's do this again. Be careful. Roll the black ball out. And here it is. Okay, let's take a little knife and create one little eyelash and just glue it on the left side. And another one. Here it is. And let's carry on. The third one. You can leave it without the eyelash as well, but I will carry on with mine and just 2. And the last one, 3. Excellent. Here you go. Perfect unicorn.
I'm not going to make it with eyelashes.
Okay, you can leave it without. And here you go, your unicorn is finished. Now you have to leave it overnight because it has to dry. And tomorrow you will have a beautiful hair clip or a beautiful pendant.